Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Gartech Interior. So like you can see here, this is our 2-bedroom house with a sitting room, and then one bedroom is en suite. So like you can see, we are on day 16, but you can see we have reached plastering, of which we have finished inside, and then we are outside. So God willing, tomorrow we'll be completing our exterior part for our plastering, like you can see on the video. So the remaining part is just quite a little much, let's say is a bit small, of which we will take another 5 fundis so as to come tomorrow, and then they finish the whole plastering. So guys, if you want such a service, you can reach us on our number. It's on our bio. So I'm going to give you a quotation summary from day 1 up to day 15 whenever you see this project is on. I'm going to break everything from day 1 up to this day. So like for today, I've done all the sum from day 1 up to day 2. So it's at 8,800, not 8,000. It is on 893,122. So as per now, without labor. So the labor, it's apart from this one. So this is the only materials that the money that was used to buy material. So I'm going to fix from day 1 which material we bought, and then so day 1, so of which day 1 it costed like 250,000, of which this 250,000 it consisted of sand, cement, a choker, lime powder for drawing your first house plan, D10, D6, 4x2, 3x2, ordinary nails, hoop, iron, and then blocks, cement, sand, and then ballast. So the total cost was 250,000. And then so on the second installment, this second installment was of which it was on day 4, but it is on the second installment. So this day 4, the total sum was 75,400, of which this 75,400 it has included with sand, hardcore, ballast, cement, polythene bag, and then the anti-termite for the preservation, and then so that second installment was 75,400, and then the next installment was on day 6, of which is the third installment. So this was only requiring when we were reaching on lintel, of which it was day 8. Sorry, it was on day 8. So we had to have cement, D10, D6, hoop, iron. So and then each installment we were bringing like 50 cement on each installment, so as to have a sufficient supply for the cement. So that was day 6. The third installment, of which was 57,650, and then the fourth installment, of which it was on the day for roofing. So this is the day for roofing. It had to require us 168,200, of which this day for roofing we had to purchase, like you can see, we had to purchase iron sheets, roofing iron, roofing nails, rubbers, oil preservative, and then timbers, of which were 4x2, and then 3x2, and then fisher boards. So as when we finished roofing, we had to call our fundi to come and fix our fisher boards. So that was the fourth installment, of which was 168,200, of which this 168,000 was enough for our roofing only. So it like you can see, it only for roofing, and then we were enough. And then the second, it was on plastering stage. So this plastering stage, we had to bought a wire mesh, and then frames for the doors, of which we had 3 door, lime powder, coffee tree, wire, and another additional cement, of which this day it costed us 34,820. So that was the fifth installment. And then the sixth installment, it was like so. It was yesterday, of which was day 13. So day 13, we had to purchase only grills, steel door, and then cement, and then we had then fisher boards. They were not yet enough, so we had to require another additional 3 fisher boards, of which this it costed us 106,052 shillings. So those one, it was only for the provision for the lakeside, for the doors, and then window, of which our door, steel door, it's a double door, of which it was costing like it was costing like almost 25,000, and then the grills was costing us like 45,000, and then we had to add another 50 pieces of cement, so as to have enough supplies when it come on plastering on our exterior part. So when we did these all sums, we had to arrive to 893,122 without labor up to there. So guys, if you have that dream to build maybe a simple 2-bedroom, so you have just this is like a video to maybe to encourage you, or to keep you updates on maybe how much you can have to that extent. So guys, if you have 890,000, your house will be at plastering on exterior part without let's say without labor. It will be on a plastering, of which this house, it is on 17 by 17 outside for the whole 2-bedroom, and then our sitting room, it was on 22 and 17 on outside. If you are an engineer, you know what I'm talking about. You have a clue. So guys, if you want to reach us, our number it's 07 46 28 96 67, 07 46 28 96 67. For any advice, for any, let's say, consultation, we are free to have a negotiation. Don't fear commenting or coming on our on our WhatsApp, maybe on our number, to have a negotiation. So guys, let's meet, I think, on the next video, God willing. Bye bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say wake up with you in the morning. Say